know in New York, the cars have like a protected on the bumper, like they have like a bash bar on the bumper.
What?
Like a bump bar on their bumpers.
Oh, so they don't crash?
Yeah, because people park so close in New York that they have to like, it's very common for somebody like to hit your car while they're parking because like it's so tight.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah. So like, say what I did right now, if I was in New York, I would be like bumping into those people's cars just.
Oh, that's what that was.
Yeah, it's like normal. It's normal in New York, I'm pretty sure.
Was it mandatory or what?
No, like, so people.
Well, you can get that installed for like extra.
Yeah. If you have a nice car, you probably don't want to park in like the city, so I don't know where to go. Probably this way.
See the fucking CEO got killed by the fucking shooter?
Yeah.
That shit's crazy, bro.
Assassination right there.
Dude, they were gassing the dude up, bro. It was like, police officer was like, yo, this is the best we've ever seen.
Your seatbelt. Speed bump right there. What the heck? You can't even see them. Well, there's the signs there, but you can't see them on the freaking road. Usually it's supposed to be yellow or reflective, but
yeah, it's hard to see that shit.
turn. Oh my god, man. We're gonna hate this city. I got distracted for 1 second and missed a turn.
Yeah, distracted by the 7-Eleven, dude.
What are you looking at? What, a regular fucking Charlie or some shit.
You what?
Regular Charlie looking girl. Just be
point, bro, I go for it.
Just be mindful about the dialogue, because I'm gonna post this.
No, don't post it.
I'm posting this stuff, so whatever is being said is gonna be in the video. So you can say some.
Mute the audio.
You can say not. What's the point of watching it? You can say something very vulgar, but I'm gonna post it.
That's crazy.
Just don't say nothing fucking.
Like cremating or some shit. 200 meters to the right. I love that voice. Fucking long, bro.
Oh, there's another 7-Eleven over there.
Dude, what is going on, bro?
Are we in the States?
Dude, this is like Japan, bro. Do you know in Japan there's like 7-Eleven everywhere?
Isn't that an American thing? American store?
It's like the biggest in Japan, bro.
Was
7-Eleven's literally on every.
Was 7-Eleven from Japan or America?
America, but they, I think they're owned by a different company in Japan. It's huge in Japan, bro. You see that shit on every like intersection, bro.
I regret eating that ice cream.
Me too, bro. I spent $10 on fucking bullshit.
I don't feel too good.
You don't feel good? What do you mean you don't feel good?
I don't know. I felt better before I ate it.
Dude, that was not cheesecake, bro.
That was not.
That shit tastes kind of sour too, bro.
I think that's That's right. I don't think that was the same ice cream from probably months ago.
From months ago, dude.
I have the receipt, so I could
Sue their ass, bro.
I don't have the energy to do that.
Nah, we're not suing somebody over $20, bro. Some DJ ass shit, bro.
Right here.
Is this the OVO store? What the fuck? What is that?
Look at that. This is vibes. Tired of sleep. Fell asleep there. Yeah, I was saying something to you and you freaking.
What the fuck?
I looked at you, you were freaking dead. sleeping like a freaking middle-aged dad.
Do you know I fall asleep on the subway now?
That's dangerous.
I know. Fall asleep on the fucking bus too.
You don't miss
I
your.
can't help it, dude.
You don't miss your stuff.
No. I think I'm programmed so I can fall. I like wake up right before myself, like so.